Good morning, all the students. How are you? I hope you all are best and fine. Yeah, please wait for 2 minutes. Yeah, students, yesterday we are already completed about our chemical equations. Now we have to go with our next concept, that is only acids and alkaline bases. Yes, yeah. In this particular acids and bases lesson, already we know very well. In our seventh class only we have completed about our acids and bases lesson. Yes, lot of information is there in our seventh class. Already I have explained yesterday also. But when we are going with the what is acid actually, when we go with our 10th class lesson, in this 10th class lesson, especially we have to go with what is the acids and what is the basis and what is the salt and how we recognize the acid and alkaline, how we recognize the basis, the substance is the basis or not, the substance is the acid or not. Okay, and alkaline, how we get the salt from the acids and the bases. That information we have to go in a first part, and in the second part, which one is the weak acid, which one is the weak basis, which one is the strong, and how to we recognize the strongness of acid and how to we recognize the strongness of basis by using the scientific method. Yes, and as well as somewhat why products may get for us because of acids and as well as the bases. Some special substances are formed like a pasta flaris and as well as a bleaching powder and a baking soda, like that. There is a what these things, how we prepare that all the things. There is a only we have here one of the big lesson. Okay, yes, acids and bases. It is what weightage is also there for our examination. Why? Because now only 8 lessons are there for our annual examination purpose. Now that's why it is compulsory contain a more weightage. Yes, why? Because only remaining only there is 3 chemistry. Yes, one is atomic structure, another one is whatever the periodic table and as well as periodic properties and periodic table of atoms and metallurgy. Yes, these are only the three topics is there, except these chemical equations and as well as acids and bases. And that's why the acids and bases are very important to you for examination purpose. And it's a main role played as a carbon and its compound. Okay, clear or not all the students? Carbon and its compound. Like that. When you go with our acids and bases lesson, it may give for you, yes, 6 to 7 marks, maybe 6 to 7 marks if the paper is at 80 marks. Okay, till now there is about our annual examination pattern and as well as may there is a 100 marks of paper is there this time, otherwise may it is contain only just 80 marks paper is there. Okay, till now we are not getting any clarity on that, but syllabus is clarified. What is the paper model and how much marks may contain in your annual examination. Otherwise, science may contain 100 marks total science, or otherwise again there is our biology is contain 50 and physical science is 50. Okay, like that. Maybe till now we not have any clarity is there. Yes, that's why only. Anyway, there is our physical science is contain 50 marks compulsory, and in that 50 marks, the chemistry again 25 marks. In the 25 marks, may our acids and bases are contain 6 marks to 7 marks compulsory. One long question compulsory may have to expect from these acids and bases. May the chemical equations may not get or not, but compulsory. Our acids and bases are as a part of our long questions. Yes, and as well as may have possibility to ask most of 1 mark questions also. Most number of 1 mark questions are available in these acids and bases. Why? Because it is a technically it is there. Okay, clear or not all this? That is only. And here. Chemical bonding, electromagnetism, yes, and as well as there is whatever our carbon and its compound, yes, these human and colorful world. These lessons are only not there in annual examination. Yes, so many times I am reminding you, human and colorful world is not there. Yes, and electromagnetism is also not there. Electricity is there, electromagnetism is not there, and as well as there is you not have that lesson of carbon and its compound, the chemical bonding. These are only. Okay, and now there is we go with acids and the bases. According to you, which one is called acid and which one is called basis? Okay, clear or not all the students? Acids. Okay, now yes, and the basis and the salt. There is a what? These three things are there. Which one is called acid? Which one is called basis? Tell me. Which one is called acids? Which one is called basis? Anyone? Can you give the definition of acids and as well as the basis? And salt according to your previous knowledge. Yeah, there is a given already in the 7th class we are completely concluded. Yes, and now whatever you consider here somewhat antacid tablet, it is a very important question for your annual examination purpose. Yes, the antacid tablets, when there is a one man who suffered with the acidity, he used the antacid tablet. Why he used the antacid tablet? Okay, very good. Acids are sour to taste and turn the blue litmus into red color. Okay, now this is only called acids. And as well as the next come to here, yes, our particularly in important questions are there in our page number 33. Yes, it's a very important questions are there. Please, you notice that person suffering from the problem of acidity takes antacid tonic or chewing tablet. Why? Why we are taking chewing tablet or antacid? Yes, syrup we are taking. Otherwise, we are used. Yes, why we are used that things? Yeah, very good. To neutralize. Actually, our very well in our digestion system. Yes, there is a what? When we take a food, somewhat it is a mixed with somewhat acids, and afterwards only it will be give the energy that is in a biology part. Very well. If we are not taken food also, at that time in our liver somewhat acids are may generate. Yes, clear on all the students. Like hydrochloric acid, small little amount of hydrochloric acid may generate in our our liver as per on time of a food. Okay, that's only when we are not taken at the food of a lunch. Okay, now we'll get somewhat burning sensation in our stomach. Clear or not all the students? That is only called somewhat. In case it is increases, the amount of acid is increases, may our liver walls may undergo the swelling. Okay, clear or not all the students? That is only called what? Acidity. If we are not taken that at that time, okay, proper food is not taken at the particular time, yes, that is only causes to the acidity. That's why you compulsory take a proper food at a proper time. All the students, yes, this is the correct time to take the food. This is only the why, because you are 15 or 16 years of age, and this is the correct time to take food and for the develop your body and as well as the enzymes and as well as it requires some particular proteins to time to your body. And if you are not taken food at this time, you get this type of a problem. Again, you require antacid syrup and as well as these all the things. It's required for us. No. That's why you take a proper food as a time. Then why we are taken antacid to that acidity patient? Why? Because there is a lot for the neutralizing purpose. How it is a neutralizer? You know very well. In your 7th class also you are studied. There is our liver, whatever acid contained inside it, okay, now that will be neutralized by the bases. Why? Because these chewing tablets, otherwise there is this antacid syrup is a contain what? Basic solutions. Inside it is a contain the basic solution. When it is mixed with our acid, whatever contained in our stomach, that will become neutralized. What you understood from this one? One acid is combined with the bases. Acid is combined with the bases. It is used as a salt plus water. This is the salt plus water. It's a converted as a salt plus water. You know very well. Yes, there is a HCl is combined with the NaOH. It gives rise. What? NaCl plus water. Already yesterday, before yesterday, we are taking a chemical equation. Okay, yes, may not only NaOH, somewhat it is a contain. Yes, another type of depending on our syrup and depending on our antacid tannic, may it is a contain the base is not NaOH only every time. Okay, clear or not all of you? Like that, in our daily life, regularly we observe this thing of acid and basis reactions. And as well as you know very well, so many applications are there. Our tooth is undergoes the decay. Yes, because of acidic nature of water. That's why only we are using which one in our toothbrush. All the students, once again I am repeating to you for your technical purpose of questions. Otherwise, the general questions purpose. Once you study that our 7th class textbook. You go to study with the 7th class textbook, you get the number of 1-mark questions. Okay, clear or not all of you? Why? Because the applications of acids and bases are there in our 7th class book also. Yes, you have this question also maybe. Why we are using the toothpaste for the protecting the decay of our teeth? Why? Why? Because the toothpaste are made by the basis. Our whatever our saliva is there and our mouth, yes, and whatever the water may contain, as we are using, that is may contain the what? Which type of nature? Acidity nature are there. Yes, and that acidity nature of our saliva and as well as there is a whatever the cavity components are there on our mouth, they contain acidity nature. That's why only our tooth is undergoes the decay. For the protecting of our tooth, we are taken the what? Basis only. Okay, clear or not all of you? In the toothbrush, what it is there? Once take it out, which nature it is a contain our toothbrush? Yeah, it is a contain, yes, basis nature only. In our regular food also. Okay, now whatever the regular food we are taken here. Yes. Please don't go with any other relative matters. Who is Fatima? What is going on? Huh? Here. Here there is a what we are consider the next we are going with the regularly whatever the general food we are taking here. Vegetables. In the vegetables are also it is contain the what our acids and as well as some what times it is a contain the basis nature also. Okay. Yes. And once you collect all the information in the 7th class textbook. Okay. Now there is a once we are going with that textbook now once. Yeah, once you go with this table format of a 7th class textbook, the page number 12. In this one, there is a what? There is a given lot of information they are given. Yes, our regular whatever the lemon and as well as orange. It is a contain what actually? Citric acid. It is a contain what? No. Citric acid it will be contained. And as well as there is a when you take a spinach and as well as the tomato, it is a contain oxalic acid. It will be there. Okay. And as well as when you take here, yes, our uric amla, it is a contain ascorbic acid, and palm acid. It is a contain palm oil. Okay, like that, there is a when you take our regular food. Okay, now in that one also it is a contain apple. This is a contain malic acid. Okay, and as well as olive oil, it is a contain oleic acid, and the fats somewhat it is a contain stearic acid. It will be there. Okay, like that in our regular food, whatever vegetables and whatever the vinegar, it is a contain as in the form of acetic acid. Okay, clear or not all the students? And this is only the nature, this is only contained in our regular whatever food we are taking in acids. May ask based on this one only. Yes. Suppose maybe like the question may ask for you. Doctor suggests to acidity patient don't take tomato or spinach. Okay, now why they are said like that? The question may ask for you like that. Doctor what suggests to the acidity parent? Yes, why suggest the parent suggest to the particular acidity patient don't take spinach and tomato. Why? Because the spinach and tomato is a contain what? Acids. Okay, now it's a contain oxalic acid. And as well as may doctor said to there is what for that acidity parent only don't take lemon juice and orange juice who contain a more acidity. Okay, like that may they are suggest. Why? Because not the tomato and spinach is not harmful to in a regular manner. It will be harmful to acidity patient. Okay, like that may questions may ask for you. And as well as there is about in a seventh class one more important concept is also there about what indicators. It's a very important for us also. Our lesson is also start from there only about the indicators. You know very well somewhat natural indicators are there, and as well as there is a what somewhat artificial indicators are also there. Yes, for the indicating of acidity and basicity, every time there is we not go with the touch, nature, physical property based only. We are not taken the decision. It is acid and it is a basis. Why? Because yes, suppose HCl is there. We want to touch the HCl. We want to touch with the sulfuric acid. Otherwise, we want to go with the nitric acid. Touch with the nitric acid. No, it is not possible to touch it. Okay, now why? Because it is a very strong acid. And as well as suppose we want to taste it, it's a sure to taste. Okay, now yes, if you want to taste it, our tongue is there like this. May the whole may formed on for our tongue. Okay, if you want to taste the HCl, otherwise H2SO4, otherwise we want to go with HNO3. Every time it is not possible to taste. Every time it is not possible to touch. Okay, now when you take very good answers, some students are given bases and acids are physically when we touch with that, yes, basis looks like Sophie. Okay, clear or not all of you? And as well as there is a what we are considered, our acids are given somewhat a burning sensation when we touch it. Okay, clear or not all of you students? Yes, acids are giving the burning sensation. And when we touch it is a burning sensation is given to our skin, and as well as we feel soapy or smooth. Okay, now for what? For the basis. Every time it is not possible to touch, and every time it is not possible to taste. May the bases are not that much of harmonic to our body. Yes, but our whatever acids are there, that is a highly yes. It is a highly dangerous to our health, our skin. Got it? And it is only about our whatever the deficiency is there to find it is acid or not basis by using the physical properties like a touch and as well as the like what we are considered like taste. Okay, now every time need not to take taste by taste only. Then how? Yeah, there is a what somewhat indicators are there. Which one is called indicator? Tell me. Which one is called indicator? Yeah, there is a in our upcoming lesson may come for you everything. Meanwhile, the lesson, the doubt clarification is not possible now. After completion of some part of lesson, we are going to the doubt clarification. My question is, which one is called indicator? Which one is called indicator? You have in your 7th class. Which one is called indicator? Yeah, when one substance is added with another substance, may it is changes its physical properties. It is only called indicator, physical or chemical property. It is only called indicators. Okay, clear or not? For our acids and bases and as well as the salt purpose, we take a number of indicators. What the changes we consider? Actually, fundamentally, what the changes we are considering our indicators of acids and bases and salts. Yeah, there is a what? When you take acids and as well as the bases or salts, before going to that, we have to go with the what actually? We have to go with the indicators. Which one is called indicator? Yes, which one is called indicator? Indicator means we added one substance with the another substance. Either maybe that is acid, either maybe that is a basis, either may salt it is. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, if it is a changes, it's a color, or otherwise it is changes, it's a physical property. Okay, that is only called what actually indicator. Okay, clear or not all the students? Indicators are nothing but yes, when we are taking here one of the substance is added with another substance. Okay, that is only called, that is changes its a color. Otherwise, it changes its a property. It is only called what? Indicator. Yes, when we have taken one substance, it is added with another substance. It is a changes its a color. Especially in our acids and bases purpose, we are taken indicators as based on a color change. Okay, you know very well. There maybe turmeric powder is also used as a yes indicator of acids and bases. Not only the chemical things, not only the artificial things. Naturally also the substances are works as a indicators. Yeah, methyl orange and phenolphthaleins are artificial or otherwise the chemical indicators. Can anyone give the natural indicators? Natural indicators available in our environment only. So many natural indicators are there. In our 7th class already you studied about the indicators. What is that? Turmeric powder is also work as an indicator. Okay, clear or not all of you? And as well as somewhat petals of flowers are also work as an indicator. Hibiscus flower is also work as an indicator. Okay, clear or not all of you? And as well as mango leaf is also work as an indicator. Clear or not all the students? And as well as it is also used. There is about beetroot and as well as the cabbage and oleander. These all the things are also works as a indicator. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, indicator is nothing but when one substance is added with another substance due to the chemical reaction. Yes, it may changes its color. It is only called the indicator. There is the indicators are taken as in two ways. One is artificial, another one may yes natural. Natural indicators are nothing but may be the yes powders of plants. Otherwise, may be are taken as a petals of flowers. Okay, na? Otherwise may leaves. Okay, na? Otherwise like a cabbage. Okay, these are only called what actually indicator. Our turmeric powder is also yes turmeric powder actually it is acidic nature it is a contains. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, and there is a what we are that's why only it is a contain the what antiseptic nature and acid nature. Sorry, it is a contain acidic nature only. Yes, when the scratches are getting on our face, yes, we are taken first thing is the what first aid we are taken as we pasted on that particular place turmeric powder. Okay, why? Because it works as an acid and it works as an antiseptic. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, in this way we are considering. And as well as one more thing, yes, you know very well, yes, when the ant is, suppose when you take here, beaten by ant. One more important question may ask in your examination also in the 7th class basis only. Beaten by ant, you are beaten by ant. At that time you may get the burning sensation. Why? Yes, why? And what the precaution you have to take? Okay, clear or not all the students? Why? Because when ant is taken in the ant it is a contain. Yes, it is a contain of what? Formic acid. It will be contain formic acid and it releases yes formic acid to your body. That's why only there is a what burning sensation will be get for us. Then what we have to do? We have to go with the neutralization process. For this purpose, we have to add. Otherwise, somewhat already we discussed in our home. There is a basis nature is a toothpaste. Otherwise, a detergent. Okay, now you take a detergent. Otherwise, the soap, you take a soap water on that one, automatically it is become neutralized. The formic acid is neutralized by the, in our soaps it is a contain NaOH, some part of NaOH it will be, sodium hydroxide is there. In as well as in our toothpaste also it is a contain. Yes, like that we are neutralized that formic acid which is released by the ant to your body. In this way the questions may ask for you. Yes, general questions once and as well as based on indicators also may ask the question like this. The jugglers, okay, are magicians. Jugglers or magicians are what when they cut the lemon, may the blood-like things may come from the blood-like things may come from where that lemon. The lemon juice is actually in a which color? In a white color. Somewhat it will be there. Okay, now clear or not, all the students? Yes, and but when the juggler is cut the lemon, it will be looks like whatever the juice of lemon is looks like in which color? In the somewhat red color. Why it is? Explain. The question may ask for like. Anyone have idea? Clear or not, all the students? My question is clear. Suppose you take one lemon, you cut it, and once you take the juice of that lemon, which color may get for you? Somewhat colorless, otherwise may somewhat light white color juice may get from the lemon. I hope you understood. Yes, but when the jugglers, otherwise the magicians, otherwise the black magic, who made the black magic, okay, now at that time which color may come from it? Actually that is in the form of which color? That is in the form of which color? Red color. The juice of lemon may convert into red color. Why it is? Why it is? Why? Because they added methyl orange to our whatever the knife they are taken. They what pasted the methyl orange layer to the knife. Okay. Otherwise, may it is what they taken the what hibiscus flower. Okay, now yes, whatever the liquid is coming from the hibiscus flower. Otherwise, may they are pasted the hibiscus flower on the knife edges. Otherwise, may they are included what actually before the performing that whatever that performing the experiment, otherwise the performing that black magic, they are already inside this. There is the immersed methyl orange. What is the property of methyl orange then? Yeah, methyl orange convert acids into which color? Methyl orange convert acids into red color. Clear or not, all the students? Like that only we are considering. Methyl orange and as well as the phenolphthalein. Okay, now are the one of the indicators only. And very important thing, that is only litmus paper. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Litmus paper. You know very well, when you take a red litmus, there is a two types of litmus papers are there. And from the next class onwards, we want to go to check which one is acid, which one is the basis by the methyl orange, litmus paper. So it is a very easy process. Very easy process. Yes, there is a two types of litmus papers are there, and in our bookshops it is available. Just with the 10 rupees only, there is a 20 to 25 litmus papers may available for us, like a sheets. Okay. Yes, there is a two types of litmus papers are there. Yes, the red litmus is a convert into blue, and blue is may convert into red color. Okay, clear or not, all of you? When the red litmus is a convert into blue color, yeah, when you take a basis. Okay, now when you take basis and the red litmus immersed in that, yes, basis solution, it may convert into blue litmus for the what? Basis purpose. And as well as when you take a blue litmus, when you immerse that blue litmus in the acids, it is convert into, yes, red color. The red litmus papers available in a big bookshop now. Somewhat very good big bookshop it will be available. Clear, all the students? And here there is, suppose you take here the red litmus. Yeah, stationery and in a bookshop it will be available. Otherwise, any chemical product shop, otherwise scientific things where it is available. In that may you ask once. Most probably in a big bookshop it is available. Yes, and here there is a, when you go for that our red litmus paper into the acid, what the change may you observe? Tell me, what the change may you observe? When you take a red litmus, it is immersed in acid. What the change is occurring? It is any change is possible? Yeah, it is not how possible to change. Okay now, it is a what? Again it is a contained in a red color only. There is a no change is possible when you take here. Yes, red litmus is immersed in our acid. Suppose you take a blue litmus. It is in a what basis? It may changes any color? No, it is also not changes any color. And as well as you take a somewhat solution, yes, of a salt water. You take NaCl and you take it, convert as into the juice, salt water. Okay now, and that one you are import that our red litmus. May any change is possible? No, it is not have any change is possible. And you take somewhat blue litmus papers and immerse it is in a which color? Immerse in a which one? Salt solution. It may changes any color? No, it is also not changes its a color. What you understood from this one? Yes, there is a what? Red litmus and as well as the blue litmus are not respond to the which one? Not respond to the our salt. Okay, yes, and most probably there is acids are also not changes the red litmus. That's why only for the testing of acid you should compulsory take the blue litmus. It is a better. And for the testing of basis you take a red litmus. Why? Because in case you take the blue, it is remain that color only. Either may it become thick. Okay, clear or not all this? And as well as there is, suppose you have to take here red litmus for acid, may not change its night is a color, may it become somewhat thick, sometimes may not possible. That's why only for the testing of acidity, for the testing of acids, you take which one? Blue litmus. It's a convert into red. So it is concluded as acid. Why? Because yeah, have it tomorrow and in the next class we are going with the everything, phenolphthalein, methyl orange, everything will be with me. Yes, in the next class we are going with that. Yes, all the chemicals and all the experiments. Yes, to next classes. From the next class onwards we have to go for it. Yes, and here come to the next point about a methyl orange and as well as the phenolphthalein. Methyl orange and as well as the phenolphthalein. How it is a changes? Yeah, when you take a methyl orange solution, actually it is in orange color. Actually, methyl orange is in an orange color. When you take acid, when you add the methyl orange drops to the acid, it is converted into red color. And as well as the same thing, when you take the methyl orange for the basis, it is converted into yellow color. It's converted to which color? Yellow color. Whatever the basis solution you have to take here, it is a convert into the what? Yellow color. For the what? For the methyl orange. Okay, clear or not all the students? And suppose you take a phenolphthalein solution, there is a when you add the phenolphthalein to the basis, it may convert into pink color. It will be converted into pink color. The same phenolphthalein solution, you add it to the acid, it may not change into the any color. It is become colorless. Okay, clear or not all of you? Your acid is become somewhat a colorless solution. Okay, clear or not all the students? It remains colorless. Acid remains colorless, which no change is getting for us. In this way only we have to go with the indicators. Especially there is a very important concept for today, that is only the litmus paper. Yes, how we prepare the litmus paper and what the material we are used for the preparation of a litmus paper. What the material we are used for the preparation of litmus paper? We are using the what actually? Yes, dye extracted. Okay, clear on all the students? There is one of the Thalophyta family leaves we are flowers we have taken. That is only the Lichen Thalophyta flower. That is only taken as a litmus paper. Clear or not all the students? Okay, now I hope you are understood. Yes, this is only about the indicators. Actually, now the conclusion is getting for us. What is the acids and as well as what is the basis and what is the salt. Okay, full definition of acids. Okay, now with the physical properties and as well as the chemical properties, we have to go for it. Yes, what is acid? Acid is giving the burning sensation for the touch, and for the taste it is a sour, and it is a convert blue litmus paper into the red litmus paper. And for a phenolphthalein solution it is converted into red color, and for the methyl orange it is a convert into for the methyl orange it is a convert into red color. For phenolphthalein solution it is undergoes the colorless change. This is only called what? Acid. Once again I repeat it, acid is one of the chemical substance which is contain the burning nature to touch, and it is taste to sour, and it convert blue litmus into the red litmus, and it is reacted to change its color to red when it is added to the methyl orange, and it is not changes its color and it remain colorless for the phenolphthalein. That type of a chemical substance is called acid. It is based on indicators. It's based on indicators and physical properties. Okay, clear or not all of you? When you take a basis, okay, when you go with the basis, at that time, it is what is going on? At that time, it is touch to Sophie and taste to bitter taste it will be there. Okay, clear or not all the students? And when you take a red litmus, it is a converted to blue, and methyl orange it is a converted into yellow color, and phenolphthalein is a converted into pink color. Phenolphthalein solution it is a converted basis into pink color. Like this you give the definition for acids and as well as the bases by the combination of indicators and as well as the physical property. I hope you are understood. Yes. This is only about our indicators of acids and as well as the bases. Okay, bye, take care.